Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay, let's take a look again what is going on currently on the euro currency. Well, yes, this price action was nice move to the downside, and market, take a look, has re-established the bear trend on the daily time frame. So market has closed, so that trend shifting has been confirmed by the close price on the market. So as you can see by the MACD indicator, trend again is bearish now on the daily time frame. Well, there are a couple of moments to discuss on the daily time frame. First of all, recall that yesterday we have discussed this price action that is contradictory to trend direction. So we said that, take a look, although trend holds bullish right here, so you can see market stands above this red line, it means that simple MACD indicator will show the bull trend. Price action shows the downward direction. This tells about some hidden power of the bears when the market shows bull trend, but price action doesn't support that. And now we see it, market has shown significant move to the downside and reestablished the bear trend. Very often, if this is indeed the bearish dynamic pressure, very often the target of this pattern is the previous extreme. So it's very often could be seen on the market when the market reestablish the trend that is suggested by direction of the pressure, and now we have the bear pressure right here. It's very often shows some acceleration to the downside in the direction of the pressure, so the downside. And very often the object of this move could be the previous low, although we also can see here is some minor low. You can see that this is intermediate low on this thrust. Maybe this will be the target of this pattern. It not always happens, but rather often. So that could happen again. That is the first moment. I have marked this low, maybe in this red circle, that I suppose that probably this could be the target, minimum target of this dynamic pressure. The second thing to discuss is that Gatlis triple to sell pattern that now in progress. You can see this gives us this ABCD pattern, and the nearest target of this pattern is 618 extension, stands around 128, somewhere 80, I suppose, somewhere right here. That is also, it stands very close to the weekly pivot support 1, and weekly pivot support 1 is 125.17. Okay. Sorry, this is monthly pivot point. Well, anyway, it stands somewhere around 129 area, 128.80 probably. It's very close to the weekly pivot support 1. That is the nearest target. If market will continue to move to the downside, take a look. The 100% extension that's around 128 area stands beyond the daily oversold. So it's not very important for us currently, since it can't be reached in the nearest sessions. The oversold also coincides with the previous lows of the market, and take a look, that is the monthly pivot point. So that will be rather strong support. And since this target stands beyond this area, probably it hardly will be reached during the trading session on the current week. So that will be the significant support for the coming week, and that will be probably the short-term targets if market will continue to move to the downside, and that will be some sort of an area where we should keep an eye on to take chips off the table if you are short-term trader, if you hold positions for some days and close it before weekend. So that is an area to watch for. Now let's take a look on the 4-hour time frame, what we could do today. Here we see our pattern that we have discussed yesterday. Trend holds bearish on the 4-hour time frame. That same ABCD pattern that market has reached precisely 100% extension. Surround agreement is 129.45, 129.55 area. So that our trading plan for the yesterday's trading session has been complete. Also, take a look how market behaves with this upper border of weekly consolidation. Market has returned right back. So since current week hasn't closed yet, it's early to discuss this moment, but that is already a worrying sign for the bulls. If market will hold by the end of the week below this line, it probably will suggest some deeper move to the downside. Now let's take a look at this pattern itself, how it develops. First of all, take a look at this long candle right to the target moment, to the target of this ABCD pattern. The long candles, when the market when the pattern approaches to its target, suggest further continuation to the downside. There are two possible areas could be reached. First is 127 extension. It stands around 129.20 area. It's right here. Or even 1618 extension that stands around 128.80. Take a look. 128.80. It's right here. It's approximately the same area as 618 extension. So that area, that target of this greater ABCD pattern, 618 minimum and the weekly pivot support 1, coincide with the 1618 extension of that pattern. And that pattern could be reached, as you can see, market has acceleration. So it's not quite harmonic. This leg is much faster. It should finish right here, but it has finished in this area. This faster move usually suggests downward continuation, after some retracement, of course. How deep this retracement will be? Here, I suppose we could use the moment of the breakout confluence support. Recall that on the previous week we have the same picture on the intraday chart, and we said that that is very often happens when the market breaks some significant support area without no respect, and we do not see any respect here. We see that just market with this thrusting plunge, this significant plunge to the downside, just has broken this area without any retracement, any pullback from this area. It's just broken it. Very often it retests this area as the resistance from the other side. And that's why I think that area around 130.05, 130.08 probably, with the lower border of this confluence former support. Now it will be some sort of the resistance. Also take a look at this previous swing low, this area, and by the way, slightly higher stands the weekly pivot point that has been broken as well yesterday. That will be a nice area to watch for potential re-enter on the short side of the market if you have taken profit in this area. Well, but that is just the suggestion how it could be, and some probability exists that market could reach it. What will be in reality difficult to say, because that's just a pullback. You can see by the nature of this move. If you will drop the time frame to the lower, probably the 15-minute chart, you'll see that this is rather choppy price action and could finish in any moment. So how to act and to enter at all with the short side of the market, that is just your responsibility. Since that is your money, as we said previously, and you are responsible for this. I just try to show you some moments that probably could be useful for you in creating your own trading plan. Well, I do not recommend any trades. I just show you the levels, show you some moments that probably not such obvious as others, with the hope that you could use it in your own trading. So that's been said. That's all for today, I suppose. Current price action suggests deeper downward action after some retracement, and the potential finish moment of this retracement is an area around 130, 130.05, 130.08, I suppose, somewhere around this former confluence support. This retracement should be finished, and market should reestablish move to the downside. That's just my 2 cents, my view on the market. And I still think that it's a great probability that market probably will reach 1618 extension, mostly due to the picture on the daily time frame, because this is usually the minimum target of the pattern that could develop downside. The 618 extension of this ABCD pattern, that is probably will be the target for a whole current week, because to enter short somewhere in this area it's not quite logical due to the significant resistance in that area. So you can see this rather small room between the daily result, monthly pivot point, and weekly pivot support 1. So will be difficult for market to break it at the moment to the downside. So probably some sort of the consolidation could happen in this area. That's why we should watch for this area as the potential target of the current week.